Hello,
Musk and
everyone.
AI startups,
Welcome to
people using
iTech.
AI-powered
If you're
tools,
ready to ride
AI-driven
the AI
businesses.
wave and start making money with technology, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the iTech revolution. Let's build the future together. AI is taking over industries, automating businesses, and creating billion-dollar opportunities. But the question is, how can you profit from AI in 2025? From AI startups and automation tools to passive income with AI-driven content, we bring you cutting-edge strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Here at iTech, we cover the best AI business ideas,
Animated
AI
charts showing
money-making
AI market
strategies,
growth, Elon
the
Musk
latest
and AI
AI
startups, people
innovations,
using
AI
AI-powered
tools that can scale
AI-driven
your
businesses.
income. From entrepreneurs to tech enthusiasts, this channel is for you.
Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world faster than ever before. From automating tasks to revolutionizing industries, AI presents countless ways to generate income. But how can you take advantage of this massive AI boom in 2025? Whether you're an entrepreneur, developer, or just getting started, this video will show you the top ways to make money with AI this year. Stay tuned. In today's world, AI is not just the future, it's the present. The global AI industry is expected to surpass $1 trillion in the coming years, as more and more businesses seek to automate processes and improve efficiency. There will be a growing need for professionals who can help them leverage AI to their advantage. This creates exciting opportunities for those who are willing to learn the skills needed to thrive. In the AI economy, with the right knowledge and expertise, you can position yourself to take advantage of the many lucrative opportunities that AI has to offer. So, whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to upskill, now is the time to start exploring the world of AI and all the possibilities it holds for your future. Now let's dive into 10 ways to make money with AI in 2025. 1. AI-powered SaaS. AI-powered software as a service is one of the most effective ways to monetize AI. SaaS products can range from simple chatbots to complex machine learning algorithms. By developing AI-powered SaaS products, you can tap into a growing market of businesses seeking to automate their operations and improve efficiency. For example, Jasper AI and OpenAI Apis are great examples of this. 2. AI consulting. AI consulting is another way to monetize AI. As businesses continue to adopt AI, they will need guidance on how to implement it effectively. This is where AI consultants come in. If you have expertise in AI, you can advise businesses on how to use AI to improve their operations. Whether it's developing an AI strategy or implementing AI-powered solutions, there is a growing demand for AI consultants across various industries. 3. AI content generation and automation. AI content generation and automation are becoming increasingly popular ways to monetize AI, with AI-powered tools like Chat, Midjourney and 11 Labs. You can generate content faster and more efficiently than ever before. This can be a game changer for businesses looking to create engaging content for their customers. For example, you can create AI-generated ebooks and sell them online, or even automate your YouTube channel using AI. 4. AI in finance and trading. AI is transforming the finance and trading industries by providing new tools and strategies for making investment decisions. AI-powered trading bots can analyze vast amounts of data in real time and make trades at lightning speed, potentially generating profits that would not be possible through traditional trading methods. Additionally, AI can help detect patterns in financial data that may not be apparent to human traders, leading to more informed investment strategies. The use of AI in finance and trading is still relatively new and has the potential to disrupt the industry as we know it. 5. AI in e-commerce and drop shipping. AI is transforming e-commerce and drop shipping by providing businesses with powerful tools to improve efficiency and increase sales. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, while AI-driven product recommendations can help customers find what they want quickly and easily. Additionally, AI can help optimize pricing and inventory management, leading to increased profitability for e-commerce businesses with the rise of AI. The future of e-commerce and drop shipping is looking brighter than ever. No 6. I for cybersecurity and fraud detection. AI is playing an increasingly important role in cybersecurity and fraud detection as businesses seek to protect themselves from evolving threats. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to detect anomalies and prevent cyber attacks. They can also help identify fraudulent transactions and mitigate risks. As the demand for cybersecurity and fraud detection services continues to grow, AI is set to play an increasingly important role in these industries. Number 7. AI-powered online courses and e-learning. AI is transforming the e-learning and education industries by providing personalized and adaptive learning experiences. AI-powered tutoring systems can tailor lessons to individual needs and learning styles. While AI-driven assessments can provide real-time feedback, this can help students learn more effectively and efficiently, leading to better outcomes. The use of AI in education is still in its early stages, but has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn. No 8. Sell AI products. Another way to monetize AI is by selling AI products directly to consumers. This could involve creating AI-powered mobile apps or software programs that people can purchase and use on their own. With the increasing popularity of AI, there is a growing market for AI products that can help people in their everyday lives. From AI-powered personal assistants to AI-driven wellness apps, the possibilities are endless. If you have the right skills and expertise, you can develop AI products that meet the needs of this growing market and generate significant revenue in the process. No 9. Start an AI blog or YouTube channel. One way to monetize AI is to start a blog or YouTube channel focused on AI news, tutorials, and reviews. You can share the latest developments in the field of AI, provide tutorials on how to use AI tools, and review new AI products and services. With the growing interest in AI, there is a huge audience for this type of content, and you can generate revenue through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This can be a great way to share your passion for AI while also earning income. Number 10. Invest in AI startups. Investing in AI startups is a high-risk, high-reward way to capitalize on the growth of the AI industry. Many AI startups are developing innovative technologies that have the potential to disrupt various industries and generate significant returns for investors. However, it is important to do thorough research and due diligence before investing in any startup, as many AI startups are also facing intense competition and may not be profitable for several years. But if you have the appetite for risk, investing in AI startups could be a lucrative way to participate in the growth of the AI economy. And there you have it, folks, 10 ways to make money with AI in 2025. Don't wait. The AI revolution is here and it's changing the world as we know it. So whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur or just getting started, the time is now to explore the endless possibilities of AI and start generating some serious cash. Which of these ideas are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights. Thanks for watching and happy AIing.